My dear students, now I want to solve the problem involving consistency of linear equation of two variables. This topic is very important for the purpose of multiple type of questions. As you know, the general form of linear equation of two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, and abc belongs to real number. This symbol is for belongs to. Now we write here the general equation, linear equation of two variables. We write here two equations. First is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now, if these two lines, as you know, the linear equation of two variables represent a straight line, and if these two lines intersect at a point, then we'll get this type of graph, and we'll get this type of condition: a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Now in case second, when these two lines coincide with each other, then we'll get this type of graph, and we have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This condition is known as dependent solution or infinite solution or many solution. So you try to listen again. This solution can be called as infinite solution, many solution, and dependent solution. So a question may be asked: find the condition, find the value of k for dependent solution. You must write this condition. Find the value of k for many solution. You write this condition. And find the value of k. K is unknown quantity here. For infinite solution, you must apply this condition. So both are same. Now, when these two lines do not intersect each other, that is parallel. So in this condition we have no solutions, and we have conditions a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So we can write the answer by comparing the coefficient, also. So now in this stage I want to give you advice that you must remember the condition of consistency in different situations. System is consistent in both the cases when system has unique solution and many solutions. And if the system is inconsistent, you will apply the condition of no solution, and the graph will the line will be parallel. Here in this case, the graph of two lines coincide with each other, and here the graph of two lines will intersect at a single point, and this solution is known as unique solution also. So now we have discussed all the solutions. Now I want to solve some problem of NCERT book of exercise 3.2. Problem number 2. Under the problem number 2, there are 3 sub-problems. So we'll discuss this problem by comparing the coefficient. Thank you very much.